In this video, I want to talk to you about how to buy web hosting, how to go about selecting what web hosting package will suit to you, and then where about how you can buy the web hosting and what things you need to consider before buying a web hosting. You're on the SeekaHost.com website. SeekaHost provides web hosting when you're seeking a host name says it, and if you're looking to buy a domain, you can come to SeekaHost.com and register a domain over here. You just search for the domain name you want, and you search button, domain goes on. Say you have a domain name, or if you have a domain name, there are a lot of things you need to think about before getting a web hosting. Are you looking to start a personal website or business website, or else do you're like a web developer, you want a virtual private server and things like that? So when it comes to SeekaHost, we offer various web hosting packages on this website. You can see personal web hosting. Personal web hosting is what you need when you're getting started with a personal website, a personal blog, depending on the site. Once you get the domain name, you can see the packages, or else even if you have bought the domain name from any other registrar, you had a domain name, you can just come and select a web hosting package you want to pick for it. Just say if you want to get a one website, this package works for you very well. It is $249 per month, and if you want three websites to be hosted, you get a pretty enough space. That space is pretty enough for you to build a personal web hosting, and then you can get started over here. So if you click on the get started, you come here, you want to register a new domain, you search for your domain name, just say, and then your .com, you can say, and you check it over here, and then you come for the domain name over here. It's available. You like any other domains, if you want, you can get it. If not, just like then you pick this domain name, you come here, you decide monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, you can continue and get that one, right? So likewise, there are all the things on SeekaHost website. You can see the different personal web hosting packages. You have 3 packages: small one, medium, large. Up to 5 websites can be hosted, and you get the 5 GB disk space, which is pretty enough for a personal blogger, personal website. And then when it comes to a business website, SeekaHost.com offers business web hosting services, which is very high with the scalability and the space and the power and the things like that. You can see even the one website, the SeekaHost.com offers you to the startup package 10 GB, which is really enough for you to build a pretty big website with a lot of content, hundreds of blog posts, things like that. 50 GB bandwidth is also available, and you get up to 5 email accounts. And if you think you want to build up a much bigger website, or else you want to get a business web hosting package that you can host many domains, some businesses want that one. They build a lot of network blogs, websites for their brand, and in that case the growth plan works very well. Up to 10 websites, $12.99 dollars per month at the moment, and it's 100 GB, lot of space for that one, and you get 10 email accounts. And then also there is a scale plan, which is unlimited hosting of website, 200 GB disk space, which is an enormous amount of space for you. It just can build so many websites for you. Like, so a lot of even web developers started getting, because like this package is working very well for web developers who are offering like a lot of websites for their clients. You can even get that one, and you can host your clients' websites for $29.99 per month. And this web hosting package works very well when you look into get started as a web hosting for your business website. So the business web hosting works very well when it comes to the different plans are there, and you can choose what plans works. And there's the live chat support, which is very important. Before you buy a web hosting, the live chat support is very important, because you have a question, you just go there, you enter your name and email, ask the question. There is always somebody on the live chat support to explain to you about any questions that you have, help you with the domain. We also have things like the web consultant. You can book a web consultant to get help with your domain preferences, help your business website, because a lot of business startups have issues like what domain they should get. They get stuck and delaying the process. So even in that case, we have a thing like you can test drive your online business network, which is the business directory. You can register a few names and get online, start building. It's actually free at the moment. You can get started, start getting online with this option. And then once you're ready, you come and register your domain name and buy the hosting, the business hosting plan, and then you can get it. For cheaper web hosting packages also, they are pretty cheap to get started. Space is the downside because space is very little space. But if a person want to get started a very small website with a website, it's just less than $1 to get started, and you get up to 500 MB disk space, which is enough to get a website, like 5-6 page website with the thing, most important pages to get online and get going. This web hosting works very well actually. And there are several packages. You can choose according to what you want, even up to 3 websites. It's under $3. You can get 3 websites up, and it gets up to 10 GB at the moment, which is really enough. So this cheap web hosting works well. And then there are things like WordPress hosting, which is very powerful, high performance servers, like really good for blogs that you want to scale big. And WordPress hosting, WordPress website for one website is pretty cheap at the moment. And then for 5 websites also you get under $15. The premium WordPress hosting, 50 GB data transfer is very high. Free SSL certificates is coming. FTP access is there. So if you want to give this website to be built by another outside web developer, this works very well when it comes to WordPress web hosting. And then there are multiple IP SEO hosting and also PBN hosting, which is used by the SEO industry. So a lot of people get confused here. What is SEO hosting? SEO hosting is basically the hosting that comes with unique IPs. So say you want to host 10 websites and build 10 blogs and link to one of your business websites. So in this case, the SEO hosting is the best solution. SEO hosting's difference to PBN hosting is because SEO hosting offers you more space, more scalability options, email hosting options, and everything is there. And it starts with $25 per month. And you can go up to 50 domain hosting, which is $225 a month. And then also we have the PBN hosting, which is not for a normal blogger, but for anybody in the SEO industry. I have the other video done. You can also see below of this video. I will link it up to the PBN hosting, how PBNs are used for SEO and things like that as well. So watch that video to get more clarification about the PBN hosting. I'm not going to go into detail about PBN hosting in this video, but you can see through what are the packages we offer over here. And then we have the virtual private servers, dedicated server. Virtual private servers are used by a lot of web developers and some business owners. Like with the scale, they want dedicated resources. They use a virtual private server hosting, which is an advanced version, not for anybody starting a personal website or a small business owner, normal business owner who just want to have a couple of websites up. But there are things starting at $15.5 per month and go up to $50. And these are next levels, really. The speed, press button speed you get on the websites when you host on virtual private servers. Also, we have dedicated servers with dedicated IPs, and it's really good for, like, if you are like looking into enterprise level business websites, you want your website on a dedicated server, you own it, you handle it. We have dedicated server hosting. Price is starting at $199 and go up to $299, and you can discuss it with our live chat support. Open a support ticket, create a client area ticket to get started with it, see more options, and you can literally look for about any details like what you want to know. So these are there. And then we got the reseller web hosting, which we really started a climb from last year. A lot of people start buying reseller web hosting. Web development and agencies started buying reseller hosting, and they sell for their web hosting, like the business clients hosting, and then we manage everything. SeekaHost manages it, but you get the reseller web hosting starting at $25. 40 GB, 100 GB is $49. Pretty good one. This is moving, and a lot of people started buying even 200 GB disk space and $75 a month. And then you will get unique cPanels that you can provide to your clients, and you act like your own web hosting provider, but everything is managed and handled in easy backend for you. So Reseller Hosting has been really started booming since last year. So these are the questions about web hosting packages SeekaHost offers. And to get it started, it's pretty easy. You go and pick your package, click get started, move to the page, you start with the domain name, and if you have any questions, you can always ask on the live chat support. The live chat support is 24/7 working. And when you're looking to buy web hosting services, SeekaHost is the the best choice. SeekaHost not only offer just web hosting services, SeekaHost University is there, the online business network is there for anybody to get started for free. So all these things are there. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, you can always book a consultancy session with the web consultant over here and arrange a call back, have a chat, have a live chat support over a Skype call. Everything can we support a lot of business owners. Many things are coming for businesses. We have learn digital marketing section that also helps businesses to really learn digital marketing, because what's the point of getting online with a website if you don't know how to get the reach and build a business? So all those things are there. Every customer get access to all those courses for free at SeekaHost University. Step-by-step tutorials are there, and this will really help any business to boom and thrive and grow a massive business online. So hope this helped. Signing off from SeekaHost.